Quick lesson on how AI LLMs and search engines crawl and index your website. Search engines like Google and Bing crawl your website and download text, images, and video. Then they index your content based on what they understand it to mean and cluster it with other similar content in their database. Then they serve your website to people online based on their search queries and search intent. They also view what's called schema markup in your code, which identifies the various components of your content ideal for rich snippets and featured text in search results. For example, you could add an FAQ schema markup on your blog articles to help you place in Google's People Also Ask results. Now, AI bots are different. While search engines crawl your website on a regular interval or when you identify that you've added new content, AI bots crawl websites on demand, meaning they crawl content when someone submits a prompt or question. This places a heavy emphasis on the need to have timely, relatable content accessible for AI bots to feature in citations and mentions. So as a therapist, you need to do some basic things for SEO. Ensure that all the pages you want to be visible and crawled by search engines have robots.txt enabled. Most of the time, this is a checkbox in your page editor within your website builder, and it's typically enabled by default. Ensure your website is built fast and easy to navigate for both bots and humans. Make sure you have white spaces, separate out text, have properly sized images, and most important info you want to convey needs to be at the top. You want to ensure that search engines receive the most recent version of your website in the event you added pages or content. This could look like submitting your sitemap to Google Search Console or Bing Webmaster Tools. And ensure that you're clear in the content you want to publish. You don't want ambiguity for a page's purpose or target audience. Ambiguity means you won't be served to the right audiences online in search. The back-end architecture and responsiveness of your website are just as important as the content visible to prospective clients. You need both a well-structured website and great content to show up in search results and AI response outputs. Comment with questions.